How can Benjamin Franklin teach us about successful investment philosophy? Well, today we are talking about Benjamin Franklin's miraculous story of his will and how it was invested and how it became a very successful contribution to the city of Boston and Philadelphia. It all started in the late 1700s. Right before Benjamin Franklin passed, he modified his will to create a trust, essentially donating $4,000 to the city of Philadelphia and Boston. He specified an investment plan for how this money was to be used, specifically loaning it out to people getting involved with trades for 100 years, after which the towns could take that money and make it available to a public project for 75% of it, keeping 25% of it to continue to be reinvested according to the loan plan for that next 100 years. So what happened? That $4,000 became an astounding $500,000 roughly after those first 100 years, after which the money was taken, a lot of it was taken out, 25% of it remained, and that money became worth over $7 million by the year of 1991 when the trust was terminated. So what does this teach us? Well, it's an amazing story of compounding interest. Franklin grew his funds exponentially over this period of centuries. It demonstrates the power of long-term time horizon, patience, and how that can turn even a modest amount of money into a very significant amount of wealth. For individual investors, this is a lesson. It underscores the importance of staying invested and starting early, which can allow your assets the time that they need to really grow and to gain that interest. The second lesson here is just the power of long-term planning, thinking about this immense horizon that Benjamin Franklin had for this money and what he could really accomplish, even from beyond the grave. He knew how this money would be to invest in, what a rational way to employ this capital would be, and the likely outcome over such a long period of time if this plan was followed. Well, that may sound simple, and it is not easy to sustain the consistency of an investment plan like that over such a long period of time, and it truly is miraculous. And so having such a detailed instruction that he left behind and a clear long-term goal can really make even the most ambitious goals possible. And that's exactly what we do with our retirement planning. We help people to design a strategy to get the capital they need to be able to step back and be comfortable from their work arrangements, but then also how they're going to succeed in continuing to sustain an income through years of rising inflation, unexpected health costs, changing tax laws, and all that goes into that. So if you found this video interesting, please subscribe. And if you do have any questions about financial planning, retirement planning, please feel free to contact us at Parkmount Financial. We would be happy to talk with you.